Good morning guys, today's video is a deep clean with me in my kitchen. We've started off already with some dishes which were piling up in the sink from last night and this morning after we had the breakfast, so needed to clean all them out so it was tidy to crack on with some deep cleaning. Now that they're out of the way, I can clean the dish rack, which to be fair isn't that grimy or grubby at the moment. I just like to keep on top of it so then it doesn't build up and become such a big job. So I'm just going to give it a clean with some fairy liquid on a brush, scrub everything down, and the great thing about this, it comes apart, so taking it all apart and scrubbing everything down and giving it a rinse before rinsing all the dishes and putting them back to dry. Whilst I'm on it, I'm also going to clean the sink as well, and I do like to get in between the quartz piece and the actual sink, you know, the metal bit of the sink, because I've noticed it builds up in there, as you can see, and giving it a scrub, and it's so satisfying because all the black stuff comes out. So giving that a scrub and then giving it a rinse, and then I feel like it's clean in this area and it smells fresh and nice.
My face above the water, my feet can't touch the ground, and it feels like I can see the sands on the horizon every time you are not around. And I'm slowly drifting away, wave after wave, wave after wave. And I'm slowly drifting away, and it feels like I'm drowning, pulling against the stream. I'm pulling against the wave, drifting away, wave after wave, wave after wave, but I'm slowly drifting.
Next up, we're on to cleaning the toaster. There's a build-up of crumbs in here, and to be fair, I have left this job for quite some time. I've just been putting it off. So I know it's not even going to take me that long to do, so I'm just going to crack on with it. First off, going to give the whole toaster a wipe down, and then I'm going to remove the racks from underneath and collect that. I've collected all the crumbs, which is actually stuck on there now, so I need to actually give these a wash in the sink, and I can see it getting just lifted away. And then whilst they're drying, I can continue cleaning the toaster.
I'm slowly drifting away, and it feels like I'm drowning, pulling against a stream. I'm pulling against the.
I've put the toaster back in its home, which it lives in the cupboard, and now I'm on to cleaning the kettle. I'm just going to quickly get rid of that hot water bottle on the windowsill, just removing the water out of there and leaving it to dry in the dish rack, and then getting back to cleaning the kettle. For this, I'm going to wipe it down on the outside, removing any buildup of limescale, which isn't much to be fair. And then I have a descaler product that I'm going to use to clean all the limescale buildup inside of the kettle. So I'm just reading the instructions for that, and I need to put the tablet into hot boiling water and leave it for about 10 minutes to do its thing. Empty it out, put fresh water back in again to boil, empty that out, and then it's pretty much done. So I'm going to do that. Whilst that's getting done, I'm going to crack on with the microwave. This one's a bit of a disaster, as you can see inside. There's just loads of food being splattered about. So the easiest way I usually clean the microwave is get a bowl of water, put some lemon drops in, put the microwave on for about 2 or 3 minutes, and then when I remove the bowl out of it, it's full of steam and liquid inside, so then it's just easier for me to wipe away, because it's loosened all the grime and the dirt in the microwave. So I'm going to do that. And wash the plate in there as well as the actual rim that's used to spin the plate around. So I'm just going to cue some music and crack on with this.
Sugar, how you get so fly? Ooh, sweet talking lady, love how you entice. Sugar with just the right amount of spice. Charming, alluring, everyone's desire. She's out to get you, you can't run, you can't hide. She's something mystical and color lights. So far from typical, but take my advice. Before you play with fire, do think twice. And if you get burned, well baby, don't you be so, don't you be so, don't you be so, don't you be so, don't you be so bad.
Right, onto the oven now, and I'm making such a huge effort of keeping on top of cleaning the oven every so often, so it doesn't just become a massive job for me to complete. And I've done it in the past where it's so big it's unbearable, and I'll just put it off for so long, and the next thing you know, it'll be months and months before I get round to it. So I'm really trying to keep on top of it by cleaning it every so often. So I've got this oven liner, and as you can see, there's some food spillage on there, and it's brilliant because then I don't have to clean the inside of the oven. I can just scrub the oven liner down by the sink and then dry it and put it back in again. So that's what I'm going to be doing. I'll be cleaning the food crumbs out of the oven as well, and I'm going to also tackle the glass as well, which has got some food splattered all over it. So using the pink stuff, I'm just going to scrub it very gently to remove that away and give it a wipe down. I also noticed that the other pane of glass on the inside is dirty, so that also needs cleaning as well. And the rubber rim around the edges also got quite a bit of food on there, so I'm just going to give that a really thorough clean as well.
And I ain't even 'cause I know we're not aligning. Ooh, I know it means one, 'cause I know it means one. I know we're not aligning. Ooh, I know it means one thing, I know it means one. I know we're not aligning. Ooh, I know it means one thing, I know it means one. I know we're not aligning. I want you to show me how deep is your love. Ever since I you, baby, you don't see your friends, you give them no time. Calling every minute to my hotline. Girl, I ain't gonna lie to you, I don't mind. You dirty little angel coming through. Bite you on your lip until you want more. I'ma turn your bed into a dance floor. Fly around the world to see my world tour. 'Cause I know we're not aligning. Ooh, I know it means one thing, I know it means one. I know we're not aligning. I want you to show me how deep is your love.
So I've emptied the dishwasher out and I've wiped down the surfaces as well as cleaning up anything that I can see that's not out of place. So I've been tidying about as well as I've been doing this, trying to just keep on top of it so it doesn't feel like I've created another job to do for myself. And now I'm on to cleaning the dishwasher. I've removed all the bits and pieces out of the centre of it, which I'm going to clean in the sink and give a thorough wash, and then just giving the edges of the dishwasher a scrub with my brush again and some of that excess water in there. And you'll see eventually I just give up with cleaning the edge of the rubber ring because it's just so disgusting that I'm just going to end up taking out the rubber bit and washing that in the sink too and just putting it back in. It's just easier sometimes just to clean it properly instead of doing a quick one. And to make life easy, I'm also going to chuck the cooker filters into the dishwasher when I put it on a hot clean, because then it's another job ticked off. Why not? That'll give it a nice clean and remove all the grime and the grease that's been collected into the filters. And to clean the dishwasher, I usually just put one of the cleaning tablets in at the bottom of it and put it on a really hot wash and let it do its thing. One final job that I want to complete this morning is clean the skirting boards around the edges of the kitchen units. It's a job that I need to get down on my hands and knees and just kind of wipe down any splatters or any mess that's on there around the kickboard. And that, my friends, is a little bit of deep cleaning that I've completed this morning in my kitchen. I really hope you enjoyed watching this, and I will catch you in the next one. Thanks, bye!